from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe it all. I won't let go of your hand. Two birds on a wire. One says come on,
We founded this team without him.
I understand.
And I'm sorry. One more or one less, nobody's worried. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe it all. I won't let go of your hand.
I know what that circus means to you. It's where you grew up.
I left you behind because you know my backstory. I didn't want my best pal questioning my objectivity.
Gonna stay together.
That's what a best pal's for.
But one's never going to let go of that wire. He says that he will, but he's just a liar. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches him close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar.
I guess it didn't convince everyone.
You guess? The cave was just a place worth sacrificing if it helps us stop the invasion. Look, I'm sorry you lost all your souvenirs.
Are you serious? I don't care about that junk. I'm worried about Artemis. Terrified for her. You put her right into his hands.